In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Skills, including when Claude activates them automatically and when you can force a skill with a simple slash command. If you want to get more out of Claude, work faster, and make your prompts much more powerful, this is going to help a lot. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, the most important thing to understand is that you do not always need to actively invoke a skill. Claude is designed to understand your natural language and recognize when your request matches a skill it can use. That means if your prompt clearly asks for something like a summary, an emoji version, a rewrite, or a specific workflow, Claude may activate the right skill automatically in the background. So instead of overcomplicating your prompt, you can often just ask your question naturally and let Claude detect what you need. This is especially helpful if you're not sure what skill exists, because Claude can progressively recognize the intent of your request and apply the relevant skill step by step. Now, let's talk about the manual method. If you want to force a skill directly, you can type a / followed by the skill name. For example, you might use /quick summary or /emojify. This is useful when you already know exactly what output you want, and you want Claude to apply that skill right away. It removes any guesswork and makes your workflow more consistent. To do this, start your message with the / command, then follow it with your request. For example, if you want a short summary of a long paragraph, you could type the skill name first and then paste your text underneath or after it. Claude will interpret that as a direct instruction to use that skill. If you're testing Claude Skills for the first time, a good way to start is by comparing the two approaches. First, write a natural prompt and see whether Claude responds using the skill automatically. Then, try the same request with the / command and notice how the response changes. This helps you understand when Claude is recognizing your intent on its own and when it's better to force the skill manually. Another tip is to keep your prompts clear and specific. The more precise your wording is, the easier it is for Claude to activate the right skill. For example, if you ask for a concise summary in a friendly tone, Claude has a much better chance of selecting the right behavior than if you give a vague prompt. You can also use skills progressively, which means Claude may not just jump straight to the final answer. Instead, it can interpret your request in stages and refine the output as it processes the task. That makes it especially useful for more complex prompts where you want a polished result rather than a rough response. If you work with Claude often, this can save a lot of time because you don't have to manually explain every formatting preference or output style from scratch. You can rely on natural language when it makes sense and switch to / commands when you need more control. Here's the simple rule to remember: use natural language when you want Claude to decide and use / commands when you want to direct Claude. That balance gives you speed and precision at the same time. As you practice, you'll get a feel for which approach works best for different tasks, whether that's summarizing, rewriting, formatting, or transforming content. So the next time you use Claude, try both methods and see which one fits your workflow better. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.